Welcome to my Wordle tutorial. To get started, we need to go to the home page, which can be found at www.wordle.net. The next thing, of course, would be to click on Create Your Own, which can be found here or at the top of the page. And then the next step would be to start typing in some text. So let's get started with that. So I'm going to make a Wordle on imaging tools. Now, before I type in some more stuff here, it's important that I let you know that if I leave imaging tools the way it is, imaging will be presented separately from tools. Now, because I want this to be my topic and have it stand out, I want it together. So I could delete the space, but then it would look like one word. In order to get it so that they're together, I need to put in that little squiggly. Once I've done that, you'll see that once the Wordle is created, imaging tools will be together. Another option that you need to be aware of, because I want imaging tools to be my title, I want it to be bigger. So I'm going to copy and paste that several times. And by doing that, you'll notice that when we do finish the Wordle, that imaging tools will be quite large. Now let's put in the rest of the text and see where we go from there. Now that I have all my text in, I hit the word go, give it a few seconds, and voila, there is my Wordle, or my word cloud. Now I can change some options here. Let's start at the top with color, and of course there's many choices. I like Indian Earth, so I'll switch it to that. Layout, as you can see, there's many choices again. I'll choose rounder edges, and let me see here, half and half, any which way, let's try. Oh, I don't like that. Let's go back to half and half. One thing I will point out is that you'll see that we did make imaging tools really big, or we entered it several times, and of course now that has made that term very big. The rest I just entered in once, and that's why it's a little bit smaller. But if I would have entered some of them in, there would be a variance in size. Next, I can show you how to change the fonts, and there's many choices here, but I'll choose cool. Of course, I can change the language, and then I can edit. Once I'm done and I'm happy with what I see, scroll down, and then I have some choices here. The first one I'll show you is open in a new window, and we'll make that bigger. Now, from this point on, and I won't show you this in this tutorial, but what you'd want to do is put this in an image editor, and then you'd be able to cut the image and then size it. Now, in order to get that into the image editor, you will have to hit print screen, which can be found on your keyboard. Now, back to the original page, you can see that I can print it directly, or I can randomize it. By hitting randomize, it literally changes it for you. So once I'm happy with whatever I've chosen, there's one more option I'd like to show you. So let's go back to my original choice. And the other option is to save to the public gallery. You'll be brought to this window. You can enter the information, but to speed this along, I'll just hit OK. And then now your Wordle is available for everyone to see in the public gallery. You can delete the Wordle, or you can copy and paste this web address, this URL, and then you can use it again and again. If I scroll down, you can see that I have my Wordle here again. But this right here, this HTML code, that is another option. If you want to put it into a blog or another website, copy and paste that, and then you can directly put in your Wordle into, like I said, a blog or a web page. Other than that, that's the simple tutorial on Wordle. I'm sure your students will enjoy it and have fun using it. So good luck.